Hello students and welcome to the session. Today we are going to start with the installing and working of the Elementor. So as you know, Elementor is a page builder from where you can build your sites, landing page. Okay. So for that first you need to install the Elementor. So how you will install the Elementor? Go to the plugin, click on add new and search for the plugin that is Elementor. Okay. Enter. Here you can see Elementor website builder. So just install it. Here you can see it is a drag and drop page builder, pixel perfect design, mobile responsive editing and more. Here you don't need to write a different media query for mobile. It will adjust automatically. After installing, just click on activate and your plugin will get activated. Okay, here you can see deactivate option you are getting, means your plugin is active now. After that what you need to do, go to the page. First we'll see the how many pages are there. Now suppose this is one page. I'll just create one new page. So here I'm writing the title as home page. Okay, and click on edit with Elementor. So here you will see the page layout of the Elementor. Just publish your site and here you will get hooray, your page is live. Okay. Now here are the various elements, means drag and drop elements. For example, inner section. Now suppose when you click on this plus sign denotes the add new section. From here you can select the section, means if you want two sections then select this. If you want to divide your sections into three then select this. If you want to divide your section into four then select this. Now suppose I am selecting this single section. Inside that I want two inner sections. So what I'll do, I'll just drag this and drop here. So here you will get the two sections. Similarly, if you want to add heading, you can add heading. Okay. Image, if you want to add, just drag and drop here and here from here you will select the image. Now suppose I am selecting this image and insert media. So image is been added. From here you can adjust your image size also. Okay. Next element is text editor, button, video. There are various elements you can see in the Elementor, which is a very useful elements to design a website. Okay, all here you can see it is a ready-made. Okay, form, if you want to add you can add the form, but here you can see it is locked, means it is in the pro version. If you buy a pro version you will get access to these elements also. Okay, now suppose if I want to add the testimonials, from here I can add testimonials also. Okay, this is the testimonial part. So you can go through all the elements of the Elementor if you install it. Okay. Next I am going to show you the templates. Now in the Elementor you get a ready-made templates also. So here I am clicking on the templates. First we'll go to blocks. Blocks means you can get a ready-made section. Now suppose if I want to design a about section, what I'll do, I'll just click on the about and here I will get many options which you can use. Okay, so suppose I want to select this about section. What I'll do, I'll just insert this into my website. Here you can see about section has been designed. Just you need to add the content. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color also. How you will change, just click on this edit section, go to the style. Here you can see the color, background type also it is given. This is a color, this is a gradient color if you want to give. If you want to add a background video also you can add. Okay, where you need to give the link. If you want to add a slideshow you can also add a slideshow. For now I'll show you how to change the color. From here you will select the background color. Okay, then after that update it. Okay, next is we will go to the pages. Here also you will get various blocks like call to action. If you click on call to action, here you can see different call to action which you can insert in your website. Also there are clients, contacts, FAQ, header, footer, portfolio. Okay, various blocks you can see from where you can insert your sections. Okay, ready-made sections. Then we'll go to the pages. Now in pages, here you can see a ready-made templates have been shown. Some templates you can insert, but some are of the pro version. Means if you want to insert this, you need to install Elementor Pro, which is a paid version. Okay. Now if I want to design a website for the restaurant, what I'll do, if I like this template, I'll just insert this template. If I like the hotel, if I want to design some website for the hotel, so I'll insert this template. So based on your requirements, you will select your templates. Okay. Now suppose you have designed some website. Okay, you have designed some your own section. Okay, so and you want to use that section for further also, means in future also you want to use that section. So what you will do, you will save this as a template. Now just right click, I want to save this. Wait, I'll just change its background color. Okay, and text color, so I'm changing its text color to white. Okay, now I want to use this section in future also. So what I'll do, I will save this template, save this section as template. Now my template name is about. Okay, just save your template, save your section what you want to save. Okay, after saving, if you want to use this section, you can just go to my templates and select that section. So Elementor is giving this feature also, means create your own sections and save it as a template. Now here you can see our template got saved as a about section. From here you can insert your template. Also you will get two options. If you don't want the template, save template, then you can delete. Also you can export your sections, or means you can export your own templates. Okay, so this was about your templates. Now suppose you want to add a full page template. So what I'll do, I'll just insert this template. Okay, after inserting, you will get that template into your website. From here you can change your content. Now suppose if I want to change the background, go to the style section, and from here you can change the background. Similarly, if you want to change the content, here you can change the content. In style section you will get all styling options. Okay, so this way you can change your template design also, you can modify that template. Okay, if you want to see this into the responsive mode, go to the tablet view. In tablet view you will see your design in this way. If you look into the mobile view, your design will look like this, means it automatically get adjusted according to the devices. Okay, so this is the best page builder I can say, and which is easy to use also. Okay, thank you for watching.